Firstly, these are our new Portland tiles, and this is the Greige colourway. We've got a new colourway that is more of a grey colour coming next year, but the Greige have landed into stock now, and this tile is a real top-end sort of premium Italian tile. We love it because I feel like over the last maybe year or two, there's been a bit of a trend away from grey coloured paving and more towards warmer colours, trying to bring sort of a summery feel to gardens. And this Greige, we called it Greige because it's sort of like a muted beige with little slight hints of grey and like darker browns in there. But the reason why we love it and the reason why we call it Portland is because it is modelled on an English limestone. So it's got that slightly sort of like worked, aged finish to the surface. And we've laid out 4 tiles here for you to see, just to show that the variation, because there is a bit of variation throughout the tile design, just so that on bigger areas it looks more natural. And this tile also features really subtly tumbled, sort of distressed edges. So the edges are dead straight, but the top surface towards the end is very slightly beveled. Not extreme at all, it is very slight, but it's there just to give it that realistic look. Another really nice feature of the tile is the body colour. The body colour is really sort of sweetly matched to the surface texture, so really nice if you're doing things like steps, copings, stuff like that. It's a really nice tile that we're launching for next year, and something that we're planning to keep in stock. Another nice option if you're looking to create a sunny, summery garden and you want that sort of warm limestone feel, but you want the ease of being able to clean it very simply and easily, being porcelain.